Morning. The next sort of episode of my weekly recycling trips. So today I'm in a wee bit of woodland, as you can see, and I've walked past this quite a few times and never come in, but I did a couple of weeks ago, and I don't know if you can see in the background, but it's being used sort of for drinking and that, and the place is absolutely littered with bottles and cans. So this morning I'm going to clear all this up, as well as doing my my normal walk around the roads. So I brought a few bags. I'm going to bag this stuff up, but it's a lovely wee woodland and you can hear the birds, and it's just a pity that people have thought they just leave stuff lying here, but after a day hopefully it'll be in better shape.